Feels good to have my shop cleaned. A little Black Friday sale. Very late. Piece for my Rx2 from JDL. I'll show you what is. It's gonna replace this Home Depot. I don't even know, probably Lowe's, Ace Hardware piece, and it's going here. What do you think? It's gonna look good. Well, I have a glimmer pulley and need to make a hole. I should have measured where I needed it. Should fit. Where is the screw? All the way over here. Fits perfect. These work good, but the glimmer pulley has only so much play. So, had to do this. Let's see if it fits. Go there. And let's lift up. Oh, right in the hole. And I did not even measure. Well, I took the Home Depot Lowe's piece out, installed the JDL alternator bracket. Looks good. Wish I could have a better view for you guys. I had to do another hole, as you can see. Fit perfect. Let's see what it does. Does any squealing? I have to tighten it up. Pump is loud.
good.